everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a what I eat in a day video. I just wanted to say that I'm actually not a great cook and I'm very clumsy in the kitchen, but I still think it's a place that I love to be. I love to eat and I love food, so I think the energy that goes into your food is really important. Most weekends we like to go out and indulge in some vegan food and support the local vegan restaurants, but during the week we like to eat mindfully at home. So I keep it quite simple during the week and I just wanted to share that with you. Another thing that I wanted to say, which is really important, is that what I eat changes every single day. It depends on my mood, it depends on what I'm doing, it depends on how much food we have at home. And sometimes I don't have the ingredients for a smoothie in the morning, and sometimes I just want to eat pancakes twice a day. As long as your body is being fueled in the right way and there's a balance, then you should eat whatever you like. Again, this is just some inspiration that I wanted to share with you to show you how easy it is to eat plant-based and to also have fun in the kitchen and be diverse during the day. I share these videos because I want to inspire you with different recipes that I create, someone who's not great in the kitchen, and I'm capable of making quite edible food, so I hope that also inspires you. So it's about 11 o'clock in the morning and I'm going to make myself a green smoothie. I left the freezer open last night, so a lot of my fruit had defrosted. So I'm just going to use some of those and hopefully use it all up as well. So it's about 2 o'clock and I have quite a lot of work to do for the rest of the day, so I'm just going to whip up some pancakes. So it's nearly time for dinner and I've just prepped some stuff to make aloo gobi and dal. So what I've realized is that I actually stick to the same base for nearly all of the Indian food that I make. It's usually just everything that you'll see me do now. And sometimes I add a bit of coconut milk, but that's pretty much it. I really want to spend some time working on learning to understand the different flavors, and I know a lot of people use cinnamon and clove in their cooking, so I want to try and incorporate more of that. So hopefully I'll be a bit more authentic with my Indian cooking from now on. But if you do have any recipes that you can recommend, make sure you leave it in the comments below for me, or you can send me a message on Instagram. Okay everyone, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. And if there's anything specific you want me to try out, then let me know in the comments below. Sending you all lots of love and I will see you next time. Bye.